Dear students of class 1, I am Mrs. Neha Makkad, and in this video we are going to study the lesson Animals Around Us. Our world is really wonderful. We share this world with different kinds of animals. So children, there are different kinds of animals. Some are big and some are small. Some are small in size, some are big in size, some are huge like the elephant, and some are very small like the birds. Animals live in different places. Some animals live with us in our homes, and some animals live in the forests and jungles. Some animals live on the land, like the tiger, giraffe, lion, and some animals live in water, like the fishes. Monkeys, squirrel, and birds are some animals that live on the trees. Elephant, tiger, bear, dog, cow, horse are some animals that live on land. And some animals live both on land and water, like the frogs. Some animals live in trees, like monkeys. Crocodile and duck are some animals that live both on land and water. So some live on trees, like the monkeys and squirrels. Some live on the land, like the elephant, tiger, bear, dog. And some live both in water as well as on land, that is the crocodile and duck. And as you can see in the picture, the rabbit or squirrel is a very small animal and the elephant is a very huge animal. Frogs, tortoise, crabs, they are the animals that live both in water as well as on land. So children, animals are really of different kinds and they live in different places. Now children, one more type of animals are the insects. They are very small animals and they have 6 legs and wings. Mostly the insects have 2 wings, but there are some insects which have more than 2 wings also. Examples of the insects are the cockroaches, which we find generally in our kitchen and bathrooms. Houseflies, we find generally sitting on our food. And the bees, like the honey bees, we find gathering honey. Grasshopper is a green insect, green color insect found on grass. Butterfly, you know the butterfly, it sits on the flowers. Now birds, children. Birds live on trees but they fly in the air. They have feathers on their body and feathers help them to fly. They have a beak to eat the food and the claws to hold tight the branches of the tree. And birds have wings which help them to fly. As you can see in the picture children, the birds have 2 wings to fly, 2 legs to sit on the branches of the tree and 1 beak to eat the food. Some examples of birds are eagle, pigeon, sparrow, parrot, peacock, duck and hen. Now children, some animals live in water. They are fishes. Now children, fishes have gills inside to breathe. Just like we also breathe from our lungs and from the nose, they breathe from their gills. And the fins, as you can see children, they help the fish to swim in water. The picture is clearly showing the fins at the side of the fish which helps it to swim. And there are scales all over the body. The circle, the marking that you can see, that is the scales, and the tail helps it to give position in water. Now children, there are 3 specific types of animals. Firstly, we will study tame animals, pets. Now let me explain you children what is the meaning of tame. Tame means these animals are trained by the human beings. But what is special about the pet animals or the tame animals? They stay with us at our home and they become our good friends. They are our good companions. They give us good company, like the dog, cat, and parrot. They be they are with us at our homes and they also give us good company, love, care, and affection. Domestic animals. Now, children, domestic animals also stay with us, that is human beings, and they also stay with the farmers in their farms, and they are trained by us, that is human beings. But here the purpose of training them is to obtain various things like milk, wool, eggs, etc. And also some human beings get work done from them also, like the horse and donkey. The sheep gives us wool, the hen gives us egg, cow gives us milk, buffaloes also give us milk, and goats also give us milk. So the pet animals, they are there to be friend with us, and the domestic animals, they give some kind of benefit to us, like the different things that I told you just now. And wild animals, they live in the forest or in nature, and they hunt for their own food, like the deer, bear, and giraffe, elephant, tiger, and lion. Thank you, children.